it's too late to leave their properties. The fire service says it's moving east towards the town of Braidwood and the small communities of Bombay.
It was pretty obvious straight away that it was a big one and that we'd probably be involved.
Hi, Assalamualaikum and good day to Sir Afifi and my fellow friends. Today I'm Aina on behalf of my group mates Fatin and Aiman is going to present our group assignments, which is the topic is Australian bushfires. Australia, officially known as Commonwealth of Australia, is a sovereign country comprising mainly North Australia continent, the island of Tasmania, and numerous smaller islands. Bushfires in Australia can be considered as regular incidents and most severe in summer and autumn. In North Australia, bushfires likely to be happen during winter, and based on the website of United Nations Environment Programme, in 2019 to 2020, Australia have burned over 18 million hectares, destroying over 5,900 buildings, including 2,800 homes, and millions of animals because of the bushfires. Next, I'm going to talk about factors of Australia bushfires, or we can call wildfires. First and foremost, one factor of Australia bushfire is wind speed. Wind has a role to provide direct and continuous supply of oxygen, as well as drive a fire by spreading the flames into a threshold that cause massive air pollution. Wind with high salt is also make the rapid and fast spread of fire by spotting that occur up to 30 downwind from the fire front. Much wind speed has caused a primary difference in the area of speed of bushfires in the open. Even there is a slight rise of wind speed above the threshold can affect the increase of fire advancement and behavior. Alright, another factor that Australia's bushfire is the relative humidity. As the scientists claim that dry air will promote a greater volume of fire than the moist air. This creates more flammable from plants at a certain of low humidity when keep releasing their moisture. Then, according to Department of Geoscience in Australia, it can be said that they stated if the temperature higher and higher, it will more likely to make the fire continuously burned. In other words, the fire will keep burning if the temperature increase time to time. Then I'm gonna discuss about the impacts of Australia's bushfires. As we know that these bushfires started in the forest, it totally has impact on wildfire which habitat there. This bushfire, or some people call it wildfire, has killed thousands of animals directly as well as destroyed some local habitats in Australia. Plus, the bushfire just left the survivors vulnerable even though the fires have passed. And according to Professor Chris Elkant, who teaches at Sydney University, stated that in the first 3 months of Australia bushfires, 800 million animals have died in New South Wales. Plus, there are some other impacts of Australia bushfires, such as the bushfires gave physical and direct impacts to Australia population and also facilities. In Australia bushfires, 18 million hectares land of forest have burned. Plus, since January 2019, local media reported that 5,900 buildings, including 2,800 homes over Australia, has burnt. Besides, millions of animals have died. Many facilities for people in Australia are destroyed. People have lost so many valuable things in their life, and this directly affected how their normal life goes, and somehow emotionally their feelings going down. Alright, moreover, Australia bushfires affected ecological as well as biodiversity. Yes, it cannot be denied that the bushfire gave direct impact, however, still gives ongoing impacts either on ecology or biodiversity. It has been estimated billions of animals such bats, insects, and more are likely to die. It is due to the lack of food sources as well as the result of lost habitat. In studying international relations in this semester, we as a group found this issue of Australia bushfires to be the topic of our assignment, as we see the role of NGO in international arena that help Australia directly and indirectly in this issue. NGO, or we can call them non-governmental organization, is a non-profit and citizen-based group that functions independently without government intervention. Alright, most of NGO or non-governmental organization is focused on some issues, and one of it is focused on environment aspects. One of NGO that shows their role in this issue is WWF. WWF, or officially Worldwide Fund for Nature, is an international non-governmental organization that found in 1961. They opened the nation regarding the Australian bushfires in their official website. You can see here. WWF will address the donation for immediate needs, such as providing intensive care for injured koalas and other species that affected badly by the fire. Alright, besides that, ARC, or also known as American Red Cross, also highlight themselves as NGO and played their role well in this issue. ARC is humanitarian organization that provides emergency assistance, disaster relief, and many more. Actually, you can search by yourself. In Australia, bushfires contacts ARC volunteers to provide distributing aid and also providing comfort for those in need, like food and water. In conclusion, we as a group agree that Australian bushfires really catch attention from people around the globe. It shows how importance of having good relations with other countries. This is because, as we include in our assignments, NGO played role well in this issue. It shows that international relations not only can be created within country to country, but also within non-state actor like NGO. NGO that helped Australia in this issue came from various countries around the world. This is the proof, the power of international relation. Thank you.